I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make bread jamun. First, remove the crusts from 8 to 10 slices of white bread and tear them into small pieces. Next, combine these bread pieces with 1 cup of milk and 2 tablespoons of ghee in a bowl. Mix thoroughly until a soft, pliable dough forms. This dough is the foundation for your delicious jamuns. Once your dough is ready, gently knead it for about 2 minutes to ensure it's smooth and uniform. Then, take small portions of the dough and roll them into smooth, crack-free balls, roughly 1.5 inches in diameter. Heat oil in a pan over medium-low heat. Carefully place the jamun balls into the hot oil and fry them until they turn a beautiful golden brown color on all sides. While your jamuns are frying, prepare the sugar syrup. In a separate pot, combine 1 cup of sugar with 1 cup of water and bring it to a boil. Let it simmer for about 5 minutes until it thickens slightly. Add a pinch of cardamom powder for extra flavor. Once the jamuns are fried, immediately transfer them to the warm sugar syrup and let them soak for at least 30 minutes. After soaking, your bread jamuns are ready to be enjoyed. You can garnish them with some chopped pistachios or almonds for an elegant touch. Serve them warm for a comforting treat, or chill for a refreshing dessert. They are perfect for any occasion. Don't forget to check the description below for a link to some amazing darn tough socks and other great deals. Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.